Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Gator Guard Keel Guard is probably one of the most essential accessories for any boat owner looking to protect their investment from the harsh realities of underwater obstacles and accidental grounding, ensuring peace of mind whether you're navigating shallow waters, launching from a trailer, or simply docking your vessel. This durable, high-impact polymer shield is designed to absorb the shock of impacts and abrasion, effectively preventing costly hull damage that can significantly diminish your boat's value and performance over time, making it a crucial component for maintaining the structural integrity and resale value of your watercraft. Number 5. Megaware Keel Guard Original DIY Keel Guard. Introducing the original DIY Keel Guard from Megaware. This essential marine-grade protector shields your boat's keel from damage caused by sand, rocks, and everyday wear and tear. Installation is a breeze with its exclusive self-sealing contoured edge. Simply follow 4 easy steps: etch, clean, prime, and apply, no messy sealants required. Engineered with a patented hydrodynamic design and premium 3M adhesives, this protector is both pliable and tough. Its shock-absorbing features and drag reduction channels ensure it won't slow you down. Available in 9 standard lengths from 4 to 12 feet and 12 fade-resistant colors, you're sure to find the perfect fit and look for your vessel. We recommend sizing up if your boat falls between sizes. Crafted with the highest quality materials, this keel guard is designed for durability. It's so reliable, we back it with a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your boat. This versatile hull protector is compatible with fiberglass and some aluminum boats, offering robust protection for a wide range of vessels. What we like. This keel guard offers a patented hydrodynamic design for reduced drag. It uses premium 3M adhesives for a secure, long-lasting bond. If you're looking for a solution that won't slow your boat down and comes with a lifetime warranty, this is a great choice for performance-minded boaters. What people say. This guard is on point for protection and quality of material. Installation made super simple. It's very durable, easily adheres and fits over the steps in your hull, if you have them, and is long enough to protect your boat as you intend it to. Number 4. Gator Guard's KeelShield Keel Guard. Introducing the KeelShield Keel Guard, your boat's ultimate defense against damage. It provides reliable, long-lasting protection from rocks, concrete, ramps, and docks. This incredibly strong and durable hull guard is designed to shield your vessel from abrasions, scratches, and scars. Keep your boat looking its best. Our versatile keel protector is compatible with both fiberglass and most aluminum boats. It's the perfect solution to keep your vessel in top shape, no matter the type. Installation is a breeze with our exclusive 3M adhesion system. Simply prep, peel, and stick for a secure fit in under an hour, with no mixing or curing required. Crafted with the strength of pure urethane polymers and American workmanship, this protector kit is built to last. It measures 5 inches wide and is available in lengths from 4 to 12 feet. We stand by our product with a limited lifetime guarantee against defects. You can trust in its quality and our commitment to your satisfaction. What we like. This option features an exclusive 3M adhesion system for a simple peel and stick application. It's made with strong urethane polymers for durability. If you want a reliable, easy-to-install keel guard with a lifetime guarantee and are looking for robust protection against various hazards, this is a solid pick. What people say. Install was a breeze on our Yamaha. Sanded, prepped, and it has stuck solid for years. We beach about every trip in rocky Utah reservoirs due to the cold water, kids and other passengers, preferring not to anchor out. Writing this review after 5 years of use because we finally hit some really bad rocks and this did its job. This keel guard really helped tremendously because without it I was wearing a hole in the bottom of my boat which would make for more problems. Number 3. Gator Patch Fiberglass Reinforced Repair Patch. Protect and repair your kayaks, canoes, paddleboards, and small boats. It bonds to various surfaces, shielding your marine investment from hazards. Simply prep, peel, and stick. Cure it in the sun for up to an hour, and it becomes 500 psi strong and permanent. You can then sand and paint it to match your watercraft. The combination of polyester resin and fiberglass with a UV activator creates a watertight and impenetrable repair. It's perfect for use both in and out of the water. Choose from 3 sizes to find the perfect fit for your needs. It's moldable around curves, edges, and dents, making it ideal for any emergency repair. With over 25 years of experience, we stand behind our product. If it doesn't meet your expectations, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This is a versatile repair patch that excels at fixing holes, dents, and cracks on various surfaces. It bonds to fiberglass, aluminum, wood, and plastic, and cures in the sun for a strong, permanent fix. If you need a quick, reliable repair solution for kayaks, canoes, or small boats, especially for emergency situations or cosmetic touch-ups, this product is ideal. What people say. The product is easy to use and has a solid bond, and you would need some dynamite to make a hole in it. This gator patch was the only thing that worked, and I had a pretty sizable hole in the bottom. I did use 3 layers and let it harden and sand in between layers. The trick is that most adhesives will not stick to this plastic, but this patch does per the instructions. I used it with success. It is thick fiberglass and sticks well, and after a couple fishing trips I found that the boat dragging does not seem to scratch the patch. Number 2. Megaware XL ScuffBuster Bow Guard. Introducing the XL ScuffBuster Bow Guard from Megaware. It's designed to keep your boat's bow safe from scuffs and scratches. Protect your vessel from trailer roller scuffs, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. This guard is perfect for your boat supplies. Installation is a breeze with its 3M adhesive. Just prep, conform, peel, and attach with pressure for a secure fit. Crafted from anti-corrosive, 22-gauge stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish. It bends easily to shield your gel coat from damage. Measuring 9 by 8.75 inches, this extra-large guard ensures ample coverage for most boats. Dock with confidence, knowing your bow is protected. Each package includes clear instructions to ensure proper installation and maximize the bonding capabilities of the adhesive. What we like. This bow guard is constructed from anti-corrosive stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish. Its extra-large size provides comprehensive coverage for boat bows. If you are concerned about scuffs and scratches from trailer rollers or docking and want a durable, aesthetically pleasing shield for larger boats, this is the product for you. What people say. That adhesive does not play around. It uses 3M adhesion versus a glue you must apply. It will prevent damage and gouges to the front of your boat. Number 1. Gator Patch Kayak Keel Guard. Introducing the Gator Patch Kayak Keel Guard, the ultimate solution to protect and repair the vulnerable points of your kayak. It's designed for easy DIY installation, ensuring your vessel stays in top condition. Recognized as the best paddling accessory for 2 consecutive years, this guard offers superior reliability and strength. It's a long-term solution against drops, skids, and cracks, ensuring lasting protection for your kayak. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply prep, peel, and stick. Once cured in the sun for an hour, it becomes a permanent, 500 psi strong patch. You can even sand and paint it to perfectly match your kayak's look. Our patch kit combines the strength of polyester resin and fiberglass with a UV light activator. This creates a watertight and impenetrable bond that adheres to various surfaces like HDPE, plastic, fiberglass, aluminum, and wood. Now available in a convenient 3 by 18-inch keel strip, it's easier than ever to use. You can cut it to your desired size and it molds effortlessly around curves, edges, dents, or joints, making it perfect for any emergency repair. With over 25 years of experience, we stand behind our product. If our waterproof keel guard doesn't meet your expectations, we proudly offer a 100% assurance. Trust in a product made with dedication and quality. What we like. This keel guard comes in a convenient strip form, making it easy to cut to size for specific needs. It bonds to a wide range of materials including HDPE, plastic, fiberglass, aluminum, and wood, creating a watertight seal. If you own a kayak or canoe and need a flexible, durable solution to protect or repair vulnerable keel contact points, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The patch does what it's supposed to and added the extra protection that we wanted for our kayaks. It's been over a year and it has done a great job of protecting my kayak from the scratches from the rocks on the boat ramp. The clay-like material was like soft clay and was easily applied and pressed into place. There were no creased areas around the bends of the keel and everything was very smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.